2019 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. I'm doing the top tailgate right here. I'm doing the tailgate cap cover, the black part that goes on top. I'm not doing the side covers, just the top one right here on the tailgate. It's pretty easy. It's just got some screws that come out. I got my new one here. Here is the part number. This is from Toyota. I'm going to link one in the description. You can get them on Amazon too. So what we're going to do is get these out right here, these screws. They take a Torx bolt, I believe it's T30. I'll show you in a sec the type of bit you need, and just go ahead and go across and get each one out just like that. Save them, and it is in fact a T30. It's this Torx one. Kind of looks like the star, like a star or something. I'll link it in the description as well, so you can check the description and the comments for parts and tools you need. Now you're going to grab this after you get the screws out and just kind of pull this up like this. Just pull it up like that, and then it'll there's a bunch of like little plastic clips. Anyway, so we got our new one here. You could discard the old one. I got my new one here, and in the center of this there's like a little pillar. You want to get the pillar in first before you do anything else. It has these little square ones too, but that little pillar one in the center, you want to line that up first and then just push everything down. They'll clip into place. I'll show you what I mean. So go ahead and get your new one here, and we'll just line it up here. And I'm getting that center one lined up first, like right there in the middle. Push that down first, and then we'll work our way to the sides and just push it down. You should hear it all clip into place. Once that's all pushed down and good, we're going to put these screws back in. Hopefully you didn't lose any. If you did lose like one or two, you'll be alright. Just spread them out to where it's evenly, like, you know, secured. But try not to lose any. Go ahead and get these in. And you don't got to go mega tight on these, because they will just start spinning if you tighten them too tight. Just get them snug, and then that should be fine. Go ahead and get them in like that. Alright. Get the last one in. That's it, guys. Alright, guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just a couple products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO LED headlights. These are the best headlights in my opinion. They just recently upgraded all their technology, so their LED lights are even brighter than the others that are still using old tech. I've had many LED lights as far as like headlights, interior lights, whatever, brake lights, and these are the best. They don't flicker, they're not cheap, they don't like go out on you. All you gotta do is go to the AUXITO website, type in your vehicle information, then look up what kind of light you want. All their products will pop up. And these are available on Amazon as well, but if you go to the website and use GearmoAuto in the discount code spot, you will get 15% off. So if you're looking for new brighter upgrades, check these out. Hey, what's up, guys? I want to tell you about Quantum Soap. It's a new men's soap company. They got many different bars of soap, each with their own ingredients and fragrance and texture. They even have grittier bars for like mechanics or whoever, like the dark matter bar is extra gritty. If you go to their website, it's free shipping over $50. Each bar is about $5. You also get a 10% discount code for your first order. They're coming out with many new soaps. It's definitely worth checking out. Of course, I have a discount code for you. It's GearmoAuto. If you type it in at checkout, you'll get 10% off. You could use it as many times as you want every time you order. These make great gifts to husbands, boyfriends, uncles, nephews. They even got the Galactic Mechanic Bar. It's super gritty for mechanics, so check that out. Type in the GearmoAuto promo code. That way they know you're one of the homies. And that's it, guys.